We, we woke up, then walked 50 minutes to the Eastern State Penitentiary. The Eastern State Penitentiary pioneered segregation and was a model for hundreds of prisons around the world. Famous prisoners like Al Capone were held there. It eventually shut in 1971. We first took an audio tour around the cell blocks in the prison, and it was shaped with 9 corridors around a star in the very middle where a watchtower was at the top. And if you were standing in the middle of it, you could see down all nine wings.
This is a restored cell. "23 hours a day for 2 years.
I mean, this is like a city within a city.
He's already inside the prison. Some inmates have learned how to transform their radios into devices that allow them to talk to each other and even eavesdrop on guards. Once an inmate has purchased an analog radio from the prison commissary, it usually costs less than $30. He can open it up and pull apart a coil, which changes the range of frequency that the radio can access. All the inmate needs to do next is find the frequency that the staff uses on their walkie-talkies. Modifying a radio for two-way communication requires reversing an electrical current to turn a speaker into a microphone.
Is this what it would have been like at night? Then we had a guided tour by one of the workers, and after that we went inside the death row cell block. Prisoners were not killed in the Eastern State Penitentiary because they believed in rehabilitation, so they were sent to another prison to be executed.
100 feet? Anyone else? Any other guesses?
35.
35. 50. All right, these are all great guesses. Thank you so much. So this wall is about 20 to 30 feet high in the air. And again, this will vary because we're built on a hill, right? So we know that actually this wall at its lowest point extends over 20 feet beneath the ground. It's also about 8 feet thick at its base. So with this in mind, anyone think that you could successfully escape from Eastern State? No.
So that's that would have been the door to their cell, and for half an hour twice a day they would have had access to their own exercise yard.
One of these, where I remember where we met the tour dad. We got lunch at Sam's Firehouse, which was just outside the penitentiary, and it was very nice. We then walked to the Philadelphia Museum of Modern Art, where the Rocky Steps were. Where in 1976, Rocky ran up the steps in the movie.
Come on, Bella.
And then my dad ran up the steps. We also got a photo with the Rocky statue that was next to the steps.
I don't see anyone.
Like a little bit closer to that. So when they
Me and my brother then walked back to the Airbnb while my mum and dad went around the historic section of the city, the historic district of the city.
On honeymoon, we went into a Chinese restaurant.
That's Ross's house.
And then once they got home, they went out to get pizza and brought it home, and then we had pizza for dinner. Wild, like, and tag, subscribe, and like for more.